Hi, morning. So we have Zishan with us today. Zishan is all the way from Ranchi, and we performed Artas Robotic Hair Restoration for him. This was 15 months back, correct, Zishan?
Yeah.
And how has been the change?
Change has been awesome. I've been feeling much more confident.
Right.
Yeah.
Did you expect this kind of a change? This massive transformation that you've got?
Not this massive, but yeah, I expected good results because I had researched a lot about this procedure and about you especially, because you need trust in this kind of.
And were you a little skeptical to begin with?
Yeah, I was a bit skeptical, but I believe in science.
Believe in science. That's fantastic. So in Zishan's case, he'd almost gone to a stage 5A of the male pattern baldness, which is a very advanced stage where everything was lost from the hairline going all the way to the vertex and the crown junction. Yes. So we give him a very good high density hairline. Yeah. If you can just zoom in on the hairline. Yes. Yeah. It looks really nice. It looks really dense. Yes. You can see how beautiful that hairline looks. Yes. Correct. And we have given the density right till the vertex crown junction, right till here. Yes. So, are you happy with the result?
Yeah, I'm
very, is it to your satisfaction?
Yeah, it is to my satisfaction.
Right.
I'm very happy.
Again, we transplanted a total of 3127 hair grafts. Yes, extending right from the hairline till the vertex crown junction. We have taken the grafts out from the scalp on the back side and the sides, and we have also taken the grafts out from the beard right out here. Now, if you can just close in on the beard, you will see that there is no visible scarring on the beard, yes? Can you notice any visible scarring?
No, nothing.
Absolutely nothing, right?
Nothing.
It's just that the density of the beard is a little less than what it used to be
Yeah,
before.
but you can hardly
figure out because we take it out from an area which is a shadow area, yes? And again, these grafts are used to fill in the spaces in between the hair. They never used to make the hairline, yes? So I think at 15 months, the result looks fairly natural, yes? It looks really good, and the density looks amazing. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes, so he's heading back to the US now, right?
Yeah.
And you're going to do what out there?
I'll go to work and I'll study for a while also.
Study for a while and then come back to Ranchi?
Maybe not Ranchi, but India.
In India, yes. Alright. So thank you for being here.
Yeah.
Yes. And I hope you continue to have a head full of hair. Yes. And I think he's very committed to his supportive treatment. So I think that's something that's going to really help him out. Yes.